Welcome back on the channel, guys. VST here, VST. Thank you for watching. This is the last video for 2022 and I will use the opportunity to address what's coming on the channel, so it's going to be a rather short video. First things first, you can already see on the screen Xiaomi 13 is just arrived today, but courier was here. I was not at my home, so sadly I cannot finish the end of the year with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, but I'm gonna get it on Tuesday. So what this means, guys, for us, so let's have first a snippet from the Xiaomi 13. Okay, it was announced December this year. 185 grams, guys, 6.36 inches, 120 Hz OLED display, the Dolby Vision HDR10, 1200 nits, peak nit brightness 1900. So we have all the good stuff in terms of form factor. Resolution, yeah, it's FHD, but 414 pixel density. Android 13, right? First time we see Android 13 with the MIUI 14 Qualcomm Snapdragon, guys, 8 Gen 2. A lot of people are really praising the 8 Gen 2 as being a game changer, being better than the current Apple chip, and this is of course what I'm going to be testing in the first few weeks of January. So the Xiaomi 13 versus the S22 Ultra versus an Apple iPhone 14. Who is faster, who is quicker, who runs things smoother, who is really more stable in terms of being thermal stable, who is holding more performance, so sustained performance better, and of course also I'm going to test cameras and all of this. The camera setup, guys, it has a triple camera, 50 megapixel, 10 megapixel with a 3.2 optical zoom, and then also a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, guys. The Leica lenses, dual LED, dual tone flash, HDR panorama, 8K 24 FPS HDR video, something we also going to put to the test. So this is gonna be like the big plan for January, February, until of course we come down to February and March, when hopefully the Galaxy S23 Ultra is announced, which of course I'm gonna get my hands on, right? And yeah, it's very creepy to see that there is already not announced yet, but you can see it on GSM Arena. We, by the way, know, we've seen all the leaks, we know how it's probably gonna look like. It's probably gonna look like the same S22 Ultra, which is already a very good design. And then I'm gonna test the 8 Gen 2. Hopefully it comes with 8 Gen 2, so 8 Gen 2 with the 8 Gen 2 running inside the Xiaomi 13. So that's one thing we are all looking to see, or at least I'm looking to see. And then, guys, also something very big that will come in the first quarter. This is going to be Android 14. The top 8 things we want to see and all of this. So Android 14 probably going to be released with developer preview very soon from Google. And this is the time I will have to buy, probably I'll have to sell the Xiaomi 13 and try to buy a Pixel 7 Pro to start testing it. So the first quarter on the channel is going to be Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 versus Exynos 2200, Xiaomi 13 versus S22 Ultra, Pixel 7 Pro, Android 14, MIUI 14, Android 13, and then of course I promise also a very full in-depth review of the MIUI 14 running Android 13 and all this nice and good stuff, guys. So thank you so much for watching with me. I'm telling you guys, your most precious resource on this earth is time, and you spending some of your time with me, really appreciate it, guys. Please, you and your family stay safe, and with that said, Happy New Year to all of you guys. VST over and